until today that it was easy to do, so I started playing around with it today. Because I'm going to just have it on as I walk to the library every Wednesday, because we see the craziest things. So
you can walk to the library from your...
Yeah. So we just walk down Fifth Street every Wednesday, get our tamales. Tamales, fresh flowers and produce, and then...
And sometimes books.
And books, yeah, the library. Oh, I need to return mine.
I forgot a drink.
You gonna do
Didn't I hear someone calling me? Did I hear someone calling me? No, tell her just be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. And we'll put it up on YouTube so you can email it to Grandma and Grandpa.
How can you angle this thing?
I want to play my song. I want to play my song.
Mr. Guy does.
Jenna, let your sissy do it.
The bass and then the next.
Oh, you can't zoom in video. Yeah, it's too bad. What are you gonna do? Do it again? Do it again?